Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very interesting day here, and one that I think was pretty bearish. And I'm not saying that the entire chart's destroyed, but I mean, when you stop thinking about the fact that the price gapped down, pulled back to that area, and then made a super impressive recovery, only to now begin to fizzle back out. Now, I'm not going to say it's totally fizzled back out, but that segues into that pink line right there being a very important level of support right there. The pink line representing the 200 period moving average, currently valued at 1625, because that's kind of the, we'll call it the fizzle out point. Again, price has made a very impressive bounce, but I mean, if the price actually comes down to that pink line and then breaks below it and continues on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it started. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go right back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why, in my mind, that $16.25 mark carries quite a bit of significance moving forward. So you're definitely going to want to keep a very close eye on that moving into next week. Now, in the event the price all of a sudden decides to turn itself around and start to work its way back upwards, first key area of resistance to watch very closely, going to be right up there at that $19 mark. That'll be important resistance level that you want to see the price break up through. So keep a close eye on that. But in my opinion, at least right now, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just making sure that this bounce doesn't fizzle out. It's getting close, but to be fair, I mean, the price does still have the chance to, build a higher base, because if it stays above that pink line, and then you look at where the previous low was there and you envision those as stair steps, well, there you go. You would still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. But like I said, if it does drop below 1625, that's literally putting the price right back to where it was, and you don't want to see that happen. So yeah, next week's going to be very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.